Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds on Earth, standing over 9 feet tall. Despite their inability to fly, they're incredibly fast runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. These giant birds use their powerful legs to escape predators, and their long necks help them spot danger from far away. Ostriches also lay the largest eggs of any land animals, which can weigh up to 3 pounds and hold the equivalent of 24 chicken eggs. With their impressive size and speed, ostriches are truly one of nature's most impressive and unique wonders.